The rhythmic sound of a knife slicing fresh fish filled the air, mixed with the sweet aroma of ripe fruit. The workers deftly clean and slice the seafood, their hands moving with great precision. Nearby, crates of fresh fruit are carefully checked for quality, sorted and prepared for packaging. Bustling processing plants are a symphony of activity, with workers focused on their tasks with unwavering dedication. The seafood gleams under neon lights, while the fruit emits an alluring natural aroma. Every produce and seafood item is handled with care, ensuring that only the best products reach consumers' tables.
Đừng nghe nha, mới chụp lại được.
Ê, 小心小心，因为这关你的手。
哎，好听好了。